ha kajingalang ka banyo pula jong ka North Eastern Council ka balalong ha Shillong manta kasngi myntri rang ba ka jylla ula aya ka dorkhas ha myntri kam po iing halor ki Southly ki man ki ba hakmat ki ba kum ka jylla ki don kam myntri rang ba ula yathu ba ha kani ka dorkhas la ka do shai ba don ki lat kelenti ki ba banya kumnu ban khanglat ya ka jingwan rung bi an ki briu shakani ka jylla ba nakalyang ka sorkar kala kran shai ba ka wei ni ki lat ban yada kan long kum ka ILP kaba kaying dorbar kala da pediang haying dorbar bat kum ka MRSSA khanang bakan la ban khanglat ya kajingwan rung kan thap ki briu ki banabar hakani ka dorkhas ka sorkar kala dawa ban pendrung ya khatin khasi bat garo haka khret ka bapra kariti sanchar kari India kadai kani kajing dawa kaba kongsan kaba kum ka jylla kala bu ya kajing dawa laslam ba bat kaying dorbaru kala shim ya karai habaya dai ba kani ka banta hakani kajing tho ka sorkar kala pensngau hakabaya dai ba kajing pun kalai ka khnet ka ban riu ka kariti sanchar kari India bat laya tepat ba kaladon ka bil habaya dai ba kani ka sorkar pedeng bat kabal kalaya phliu jingmut bat ki jylla ba pher ki badon ha ki district council na kalyang ka sorkar Meghalaya kalakan tu ya ka sorkar pedeng baswa bakan pelong an don kam ban ya kandu lang ban ya mir jingmut bat ka sorkar jylla khnang bakan wan ra gijing mento ya ki rulum kathain shatai lambingi kari India kawei pat ka ba ka sorkar ka tho ha ka dorkhas kalong ha ka baya dai bat ka foreign contribution regulation act namar ka sorkar pedeng kathmu ban pen kala ya kani ka an bat kat kum ka jing pen khre kalong bakan kta ya ka kunhun nyam khamtam ha ka baya dai bat ka jingdon jing em ki jaka ki puta habaya dai bat kani myntri kampo iing ka sorkar pedeng ulakwa banya kandu hanong ba Delhi banya kran kham banya halor kini ki benta.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the North East Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration, and we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honourable Home Minister. Thank you very much.